fraught with confusion. One man will break his silence.
Hi, I'm Paul Duncan, also known as Mr. Moderator. I've had a lot of people asking me questions about moderating. How did I get into this? What is a moderator? Do I need moderator? Things like that. So what I want to do over the course of the next 30 days is talk to you about moderating. Everything in moderation. So what I'd like you to do is in the comments below, post topics that you would like me to talk about. Something more than just saying everything. Specific topics, things you'd like to know, and over the course of the next 30 days, we'll talk about it. I'm going to keep these to about 5 to 10 minutes apiece. We may do some live streams later on down the road. We'll see how things go. But I just want to be able to answer your questions about moderating. So feel free, pop something down, and we'll see where things go, and we'll have some fun with this. Talk to you soon.